volatility 75. I'm still holding that trade. I'm holding it to the moon. I'm holding it to the moon. So you can see this entry is still valid, right? You can see I'm looking at a structure that will complete. I'm looking at a price structure that may a price structure that will this level, right? So that will um that will get to that level. You can see that level of resistance. I'm looking at the price structure that will get to that level, right? So to com to complete a second leg, to complete a second leg of this, you can see there was an existing downtrend that started from this point, right? Before price fell to the bottom, right? It came around here and gave us a double bottom, right? And it began to buy. So I'm looking at this point, at least I'm looking at this buy, at least getting to this point, to this major resistance level. I'm looking at to the major resistance level. So this is why I'm still holding this to the moon. I want to see how it plays out, right? So this is just my psychological thought anyway. But however, whatever is the case, whatever is the case, I've actually milked the market. I've closed some trades on profit, and I'm just holding two of it. Just want to hold two of it to my final goal accordingly. Let's see what happens in the next couple of hours regards this, right? But now the focus is on this entry on V10. I made this video because of V10. Right, I'm making this video to conclude on the discussion I made the other time. Like, remember when I said I see V75 forming a second leg to complete a pattern, isn't it? I said I see V75 forming a leg, another leg to complete a price action pattern, right? We analyzed this existing downtrend, right? And I said I see V75 forming an uptrend, right? That will take us back to this major resistance zone. I am sure for those of you that watched my earlier videos, see when I said that, you could actually go back to my videos and see them. I actually forecasted this because I said I see a price action structure. I see a price structure. I see the market printing a price structure, right? And you can see this is complete. You can see this is completed already, right? So this is already completed. Price is at around the resistance right now, right? And I'm holding a buy on that accordingly. I just felt I should also put this down to tell you that okay, all of these things are intentional, right? Our trades are intentional. If you're a professional trader, then all of your entries are going to be intentional. You don't jump into entries. You've got trade losses. Let no one tell you that you don't need stop loss when trading. That person is lying. Every trader, every good trader, every consistently profitable trader, every professional trader that wants to have a long track and track record in success, in trading success, must learn how to apply stop losses. So you can see across all of the videos I've shown you, you can see that it's very difficult for my stop loss to be struck. Why? Because I know the right positions to place stop losses. I always know the right position to place stop losses. So you can see where I entered this, and you can see where I positioned my stop loss accordingly. So this is not out of sheer luck or so. This is not out of chance. All of this is intentional. I intentionally positioned all of these stop losses so I can it can only be struck. My stop loss can only be struck or be hit when my analysis is wrong. But if my analysis is 100% of the time, then trade will always go to my target. Trade will always go to my target. Thank you for viewing. I urge you to pages across to your social media accounts. Invite your friends, invite them. Let's all learn how to do this in 2021. Thank you. All right, now you can see I have presently closed the position I was holding on V75 on volatility 75. I actually closed the position, right? I closed it with about a profit of 123 USD, right? So my goal has been met. My goal has been met. My psychological goal has been met. Just like I said earlier, I was expecting a second leg to be completed, and exactly it just completed it. So why would I still be holding when it has, when I have um, reach my goal? So the best is to close the trade accordingly at that moment. So I closed that very trade at around 123 USD. 123 USD. So at about 123 USD, I closed that entry. So when it's met, why would you still be holding positions, right? So the goal was price reaching resistance zone, and which it has just done. The goal was for price to reach the major resistance zone, which it did, and I actually closed the trade accordingly. So you can see what we do. You can see how we trade. These are all of these entries are all of my entries are intentional. I do not do it by chance. I analyze adequately, see the right direction the market will take, and I enter accordingly. Right. So um, this it's a 96% probability trade, right? Trading with my strategy, with my method. You could see my live trade positions. I've been showing you raw trades, right, from live trading account from before and after. I've been showing you live trade before and after, so you would have actually see what I do. Right, so the goal is to show you what I do from my live trading account, so since yesterday we've been killing the market since yesterday. um Together, I've been showing you what I've been doing since yesterday together, just to see just from yesterday, right? So my goal is to continually show you opportunities, my live trading experience, so you actually have a feel of what I did. So you could actually see positions I took yesterday, right? You could see positions I took yesterday on my live trading account, right? This is a real trading account. Like you can see, this is a real trading account. Like you can see, I show you what I've been doing since yesterday through. So I've updated you with videos on how I came across about making these profits accordingly, right? So the goal of this channel will be to continually give you seamless trades, right? Give you trades that will give you the best probability entries, right? With minimal risk. So like you can see, we're always using our stop losses in this. I'm always using my stop losses, right? So for those that have taken my course, of course, you know how we win. For those that have taken my course, my mentorship program, you know how it is. So the goal for this year is to actually expose to everyone what we do, right? For everyone what we do. So I'm trying to show them what we do. I practice what I preach. For those of you that have taken my course, now you can see that I actually practice what I preach, right? So all of the strategies I've shown you, I've taught you, I've on my course, I'm trying to expose them to you right now on my YouTube channel, so you could actually see. So I'm good enough. I've already been getting good remarks from viewers already. I've been getting good remarks from subscribers already, because they are already seeing what I do, and most of them are already telling me, wow, that just replicating what they see on my channel, they are beginning to make some good profits, and they are beginning to take some good entries, right? That eventually manifests into profit. Most people didn't know how to set stop losses before. Now they are the right way, but now they are beginning to take the right stop loss levels accordingly. So I guess that is a good one. I'm going to review more to you. This channel has come to stay. I would want to be giving you the right exposure on the market, my live trading, um, my live trading encounters, the entries and the outcomes. I want to be giving you that. So I would like you to, if you're a first time, if it's your first time in this channel, I urge you to subscribe so you don't miss any of my content. I would also urge you to share my video across all of your socials. Share my videos across all your socials, your Facebook, your Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram. Tell your friends. Let's all come together and make this profits together in 2021. Let's come together and make profit together in 2021 and even beyond. Right? I want to expose everyone on how forex can be traded profitably. I want to prove to everyone that forex trading isn't a scam, right? Forex trading isn't a scam, even if there might be a lot of scammers in the industry, but forex trading isn't a scam. There are some legitimate forex traders, some real life forex traders, some legit forex traders trading profitable and making profits accordingly. So I'm trying to show you, expose you to the best trading techniques, the simplest trading techniques, those things that you ought to look out for when you're analyzing the market, and you can hit your targets accordingly. Thank you very much for following me. Thank you. I urge you to continually watch my videos, see my videos, and try to practice what you see. Thank you.